Oh my god. Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. The weather is turning cold, so today I'm showing you how to make comforting and moisturizing milk and butter bath bombs. They are not only stunning, they also perform great in the tub and have little chunks of butter, so they slowly melt in the water, providing a moisturizing and relaxing milk bath. So the butter does not stick together, coat it with dry mix. Then cut the butter into whatever size chunks that you want. Just remember to coat the newly sliced butter pieces before cutting them again. Add wet to dry slowly while whisking. Then rub the mix between your hands to ensure that ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. This part is optional, but for different reactions, divide the batch and add SLSA to 1. For different colored swirls, add additional color to the other batch. For the decorative swirls of salt, place the mix in, then sprinkle just a tiny bit of decorative salt on the very edges. To get straighter salt swirls, gently pack the mix, then add the salt. For the last layer of salt, pack the mix, then dig out a small layer at the top. Now put loose mix on top and repeat for the other side. You can put a little salt or a lot for the bottom. Now, smush two sides firmly together until both molds touch all the way around. Tap both sides with a spoon to release the balm. Dry for 24 hours. I made so many salts, but none of them said coconut milk or butter to me. They just didn't match the bath bomb. I wasn't going to use any, and then finally I made the perfect salt. Spray alcohol to loosen the color, then mix until salts are even. So you don't inhale the mica, add it along with the salt to a container with a lid, then shake it up. If you want to fuse the salt to the balm so it doesn't fall off, simply melt some butter. Add the butter where you want the salt. Then place salt on top. Gently push it into the butter. Wait about 15 seconds until it's dry. You see the white foamy lather, then the tan bubbly foam? This is because I added SLSA to the white and not the tan. I really enjoyed this bath bomb, and my skin felt very soft and moisturized. Thanks for joining me today. If you're interested in this project, check out the description where you'll find helpful tips and the supply list at the bottom.